This is a 2017 Ram truck. We're going to take off the seals on this truck, and the only way you can take these seals off without breaking this panel here, you have to take these little screws out right here. You have to take this one out. This is one. You just pop it out. You just pop it out with your knife, pull it out, put it in a safe spot. What I do, I drop it in there. You pop the next one out. Once you pop it out, where's I gotta find it now? I lost it sometime. Okay, you gotta pop the other one out. There's one on this side too. You pop it out. Here it is here. Put it in there. Then you gotta go behind this here and pull it out. There we go. Now we can just pop this here, go behind here. Let's do the front side. Let's see here. There we go. Pop it out. Pull it back. That came off, so I took this off too. This popped right off too. Just pop it off with some plastic tool. And then there you go. See, it comes back. And then we just got to get behind it. If you can see it, once you get behind it, you gotta pull it up. You gotta pull it up. So I took it out. That way I can easily drop it. It comes back. I'm trying to do this with one hand to show you guys. This is a 2017 Ram truck. I took out the door seals to drop the film in now. Same thing with the back one. The same thing.